Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video I'm going to be looking at unboxing the SuperPi case for the Raspberry Pi 3B down. So this is the Japanese version or the Australian European version, not the purple version that you would have got in America. So I'll unbox it and we'll see what's inside. So there's the box itself. You've got a little instruction set here just on how to install the different Raspberry Pis, what screws you'll need, where to plug things in and so forth. That's pretty cool. Then, oh, let's have a look here. We've got a little, that's just for the side for the USB and LAN ports. That just clips in there. You've also got a, a front little port there, which ejects. Oh, that's for micro SD cards. That's really cool. You've got two functional buttons on top, one for power, one for reset, and they do actually work. You've got a micro SD card slot on the side there, and also you've got your DC in, which is the micro USB port, HDMI, and the video or audio out. So let's have a look at inside the case. That's pretty cool. There's a little spring in there for that micro SD card slot up the top, or storage, I should say. So one of the notes it says inside, please remove the SD card before installing the Raspberry Pi. That's important, otherwise you're going to snap it off inside. So what else you got here? You've got a screwdriver, you've got some feet, some of those rubberized clear feet, and some screws. Then you've also got, oh, that's that side bit again. You got two USB cables there, power. That'll go onto the actual Raspberry Pi GPIO pins, which is really cool. And you've also got a layout there for reset button, power button, as well as the safe shutdown on and off. So obviously you'd probably want that on to use the safe shutdown script, so that way you aren't going to corrupt your micro SD card. So yeah, that is, and another reason why, like if you have a look at those ports on the back there, the HDMI, that's one of the main reasons why you're not going to get a Raspberry Pi 4 onto this case. So unfortunately, that's what you're stuck with. And that is, yeah, it's unfortunate, but in the future, Retroflag may release some cases that will be compatible with the Raspberry Pi 4. So keep an eye out for that. Also, something else I forgot to show off as well is on the front there, the two USB ports where the controller ports would be. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Raspberry Pi Retroflag SuperPi case. If you're looking for more Raspberry Pi content, then you can check out the links down in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want more unboxings. I will get that closed eventually. See, one take. That I've dropped something, so you're going to get that mistake in the video. That comes as a bonus. Yeah. Yeah, make sure you subscribe over on TechWizTime. That's where I do my more professional videos. Like and share this video if you can as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.